welcome back to my channel. This is Mac, and today we are working on the Ford truck. Almost dropped my camera. And we are putting a light bar on it. We got off of Amazon. Got some good ratings on it and everything. Mike, want to do the honors here? All right. What size did we go with?
36, wasn't it?
32, 36.
32 or 6. I don't know. I don't have my glasses on.
Let me see. 32 inch.
32.
Okay. So we went with a 32 inch light bar. We're going to put on the Ford freaking Ranger. Just kidding.
Ford Ranger!
We're going to put it on the Ford F-250. So we're going to install this. We got the brackets. Gives a bunch of nice hardware.
I know.
Yeah.
I bet you that small Allen fit the practice.
Actually, I have a little toolkit in there. I should have everything in there. Okay. All right. We got this, and we're going to put this on a relay, right, Mike?
Yes.
Okay. So I got the relay. Did we pull it out, or did I?
Now we put it back.
I pull it back. Here it is. So this is the relay we're going to use.
I was about to ask what the little ones are for.
And we got some wire. So first we're going to mount it, and then we're going to worry about wire distribution to the relay and then to the switch, which you have a switch in there already.
Yes.
And then we have...
Some thick ass rubber.
Yeah, right? Okay. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. First parts first, we're going to put the brackets on the unit, and then we're going to put some holes on the bumper, or mark up the bumper, and then decide where we're going to drill with measuring tapes and all that good stuff. Let's go ahead and show you where it's going to go. Okay, so if you notice, there's a big gap right there. I think Ford wanted you to put a light bar right there. So we're going to mount it to the bumper right here and have it cover this little gap right here in between this kind of open spot where these little ridges are. So we'll make sure it's centered, we'll mark it, we'll drill it, and we'll mount it, and we'll run power to it, make sure it all works. So that's what we're doing. All right, I'll be right back. All right, so we went ahead and marked these with a little pick. Marked it. We're about to drill both sides. We double checked our measurements, and these are for these bolts right here. We're gonna start off with a small drill bit right in the middle, going slow. All right, make sure you have some sharp, good drill bits, because it was a pain to go through this. So we made the 2 holes in it.
Don't forget the angle.
Now we're gonna go ahead and, oh yeah, the angle. Yeah, don't mess up your grill. Ooh, ooh, Mike.
Yeah.
Shut up. This didn't happen. This wasn't part of it.
No.
Yeah, it was already there.
All right.
Did we bring the... We didn't bring the bolts and stuff out, did we?
No, we're gonna get the bolts. Now we're gonna mock it up, get it fitted, and then we're gonna start wiring. Okay, so we want to move real quick.
Yeah.
Got the light bar installed. Looks pretty good. We're gonna go ahead and start hooking up power to it. make sure it all works. We did hook it up to power, so it is working. Now we're gonna go ahead and test it. No.
Because I got a ratchet wrench.
Thank you. This is miraculous.
You're welcome.
I haven't had one since Thanksgiving. Take off the wrong one?
Yeah, always.
I think it's technically not.
Oh, you have one on there?
Yeah, generic-y. But in order to fish it through, I gotta take that off.
Cut it off?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Cut it off.
Oh, I can't do that. This ain't gonna fish through. But we didn't want to unhook it, right?
Where's your bolt that was in here?
Laying right there in the hole.
For the handle. Oh, let's see, I can see it. It's right there under some wires.
What am I hung on? It's all the...
Okay, quick update on where we're at. We noticed that this thing had electrical tape on it and it was just spliced there the old way, so I used some solder and a heat shrink to set this wire up. This is being rerouted. This is going straight to the switch. Here's a little quick diagram of what we're doing. So we're... Lost my pin. All right. So yellow wires go into the lights. From the relay, we're going to feed power from the battery to 30, which is a red wire on that thing. We already have a fuse wire running to the switch, so we already have that done, and it's already grounded. So we are going to be running... Those are the main wires. Okay, it's kind of a quick diagram. The relay is these numbers right here. So, and here's the relay I'm using. I'll link the relay and these little cool things inside the description, and the light. All right, so we're gonna hook up the power now and get moving and get my pin that I lost in here. Oh. Okay. Okay, let's get started. We're gonna take this power out, add a new power in, and then do that. That's what you're gonna be seeing. Okay, we're hooking up power to everything. Got these two terminals done. Okay. Okay. All right. Kind of did the relay right here. The relay's not plugged in yet, so we'll plug that here in here last. Where is that relay?
Over there.
Oh, there it is. Okay, so we'll just do this number. Okay, everything's plugged in. We're going to clean up that wires a little bit more with some wire ties. We're going to pull this around. Just wrapping up. We just want to test real quick. Okay, Mike, this is your car.
Squint.
Not on?
Nope.
Nope.
We put the key in. Maybe I gotta have the key.
You
I
shouldn't.
didn't think so.
I wouldn't think so.
If it needs the key, I'm gonna shit a brick of gold.
Flip it both ways? Yeah. All right. We're going to check out some wiring on what we did wrong. I'll be right back. Okay. So we're just cleaning up some of the wiring. We had that wire that was shooting across the engine bay, going through here. Now we're running it up on here. And we have the ground and the power that goes to the switch to that. We kind of freed up a whole bunch of other nasty wire too in the same process. So now we're going to run this to power, which essentially we could have got power in from inside, but this is just, we want to be able to use it anytime, and we'll just do it there. It was already ran. So all right, so now We are going to hook up this wire right here to the white wire down here, and then we're almost ready to test, Mike.
Yes, I'm excited.
Okay, all right, well, let's get started on that and we'll get done.
The bottom.
Now we got this is moved over. Mike, before we turn it on,
Again?
let's pray that it works.
What? Huh?
He's recording.
Okay, wait, Mike should get the honor.
Yeah, Mike
He's
should.
good.
We temporarily had it on for a second, and we wanted to test it. So, Mike, now that we got it all full together, oh, look at that thing. Now get some headlights on in there. Oh my God, Mike.
Turn on the radio, burn the battery.
I'm blind. I can't see anymore. Okay.
Nice.
So we're gonna clean up this, and then we're gonna do some nighttime driving and see how it looks. So obviously the sun's still up. But we're gonna wrap this up, clean up all this stuff, clean up all the wiring, and then we will hook it up. I'll show you the switch. The switch is already in here. There's nothing new about the switch. But here's the switch right here. It's that metal one right there. So there was some janky wiring on that sucker, so we fixed that. We fixed the ground. We fixed the wire running over the engine bay. Here's some of that wire. See this stuff right here? I reran new wire because there was like 3 or 4 splits in it. And Mike's friend's the one that put this in originally. Not this light bar, but hooked up these lights. So anyway, we ran all new nice gauge wire for it. This is the wire we ran for it. All right, well, I'll see you guys back when it's nighttime, and that way we're driving around and testing lighting on it, see how it does on the road. All right, talk later, bye. All right, Mike, it's nighttime. I think they'd be mad if we didn't go for a ride, is what I'm saying.
Well, you gotta wait until I'm done cooking then.
Huh?
Unless you want to take it.
Oh my God, I can't drive this thing.
What? Why is it a Ford?
Because it's a Ford, duh. Oh, I better sit over here before I get blinded. Oh, okay. Oh, there's some headlights. Oh, give it the business, Mike. Let's see what it looks like. Oh my God.
Damn! Holy shit!
That is pretty bright, Mike. I think that does the job. I really want to see it on the road. Oh gosh.
Dude, that's bright as shit. Wow.
Just the bar? Whew. Let me get a picture of just that. Okay, so we are in Mike's truck and we're about to test out the lights on it. It looks good. So Mike, you excited?
Oh yeah.
It looks
Definitely
really good.
excited.
Yeah. All right, so
We're on low beam.
we are on low beam right now.
Take a righty. Take a righty and piss this guy off in front of me.
All right. Okay, what do the high beams look like? Okay, so the high beams don't look too bad. I'm gonna turn this light off real quick. Okay, there we go. Okay, that's what that looks like. Okay, turn the high beams off. Okay, now throw on the master light. Oh my God!
Holy crap!
Oh my gosh! That looks amazing. Turn it off. Okay. Woo! Let's light up this area. Boom!
Yeah.
Oh, that looks good. Oh my gosh. Okay.
Can you see me coming now?
Well, I mean, I don't see anybody walking on the street now. I mean, you can really see everything on the road now, so. Well, it's freaking legit, Mike.
That is amazing.
All right.
For a blind man.
All right, that concludes our video. We got the light bar on. In the description, you'll see the light bar, the things I used to install it. Went really nice, and those lights look amazing. I mean, lights up the road, right?
It definitely lights it up. I just made somebody mad.
Anyway, we got flashed, but anyway, it's a good upgrade. I mean, what do we like, $60?
Yeah, about 60 bucks.
Yeah. I had the wiring here, so maybe another 20 bucks in wiring, maybe $5-10 for a switch. Really, that's all you need. Or if you're crafty, you can hook those up to your current headlights, but I don't recommend that. You want a separate switch for it.
Yes, definitely.
But yeah, guys, if you have any other suggestions for the truck, let us know what we should upgrade next. We're looking at some taillights, right?
Tail lights, and then the hole in the bumper.
Oh, the lower hole.
Hole in the bumper.
Here, I'll show you guys in here what we're talking about.
Looking for another light bar for that.
So we're looking for a 26-inch light bar that'll fit down there. And I want to put a train horn on there. He wants to go air horn. I want a train horn. He doesn't want the whole air compressor thing on there. I think it'd be cool. But those are things we want to do to the truck. If you have any other suggestions, we're open for them. But until next time, guys, you guys have a good one. Thank you. Bye.